Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I cook with a lot of herbs and during the winter and spring I mostly use dried, but in summer and fall I use fresh instead. Each year David and I start a herb garden. I cannot imagine not having one. The freshness makes such a difference in my recipes. So here's a quick tutorial on how to start one. So my friends, let's get growing.
First, we'll place a layer of soil on the bottom of our planting container. There has to be just enough so when we place our herbs in, the soil is level with the top of the container. There, this one's about right. But as you can see, I'll have to add more soil underneath the chives to get them level with the top of the container. Now that we've figured out the soil levels for each herb, we'll remove them from the pot and surround them with soil. When we're about an inch from the top, we'll add some fertilizer. I'm using my husband's 10-gram fertilizer packs. These are his company's products. So I'll place one pack on each side. Then cover them with soil to the top and lightly press down on the soil to compact it a little. If you want, we'll insert the plant tags in front of each herb. Next, we'll water the plants well to moisten the soil. As the herbs get bigger, we'll water them 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how hot the weather is.
As you saw in this video, starting a herb garden is very easy. Plus, if you're a foodie, you definitely need one. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day. And for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!